Are you eager to create a beautiful garden without breaking the bank? Welcome to Leafy Lessons, where we share practical tips and smart strategies for gardening on a budget. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable advice to help you save money while building a thriving garden. Let's dive in. 1. Affordable plants and seeds. One of the best ways to save money on gardening is by finding affordable plants and seeds. Local nurseries, plant sales, and online sources often offer a wide selection at budget-friendly prices. Look for discounted plants or bulk seed packets to maximize your savings. 2. DIY compost. Compost is the gardener's best friend and a fantastic way to save money on fertilizers. Start your own compost pile using kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. Not only will you reduce waste, but you also create nutrient-rich compost to nourish your plants for free. 3. Smart water use. Water is precious, especially in the garden. Save money on your water bill by harvesting rainwater with a simple rain barrel system. Additionally, capturing and reusing shower water, known as grey water, is another excellent way to conserve water and reduce your water expenses. 4. Repurpose and upcycle. Get creative with your garden by repurposing materials and upcycling items you already have at home. Turn old containers, buckets, or even pallets into unique planters. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it also adds a touch of personality to your garden. 5. DIY garden projects. Take on DIY garden projects to save money and customize your space. Build your own raised garden beds using affordable materials like lumber or cinder blocks. It's a cost-effective way to create defined growing areas and improve soil drainage for healthier plants. 6. Gardening without chemicals. Protect your garden without breaking the bank by using natural pest control methods. Make your own organic insect repellents using ingredients like neem oil, garlic, or soap. Not only are these solutions cost-effective, but they're also safer for beneficial insects and the environment. And there you have it, fellow gardeners. With these money-saving tips and tricks, you can create a beautiful garden on a budget. Don't let financial constraints hold you back from enjoying the joys of gardening. Get creative, think resourcefully, and watch your garden thrive without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to Leafy Lessons for more gardening advice and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!